So you've earned your Masters in Pharmacy, but now it's time to master Pre-Reg. But how are you going to do that? If only there was a way to get an insight with a group of pharmacists from a range of different backgrounds with different experiences and in all the different career stages. Well, fortunately, there is. The ACE Pre-Reg webinar, hosted by BIMA, is what you need to become a safe and effective pharmacist. Equipped with tips and tricks from a range of exemplar pharmacists, the ACE Pre-Reg webinar will help you to feel prepared for your pre-registration year. On top of that, we want you to feel free to practice your religion alongside a successful pre-registration placement. So we'll be delivering information on not only how to be a good pharmacist, but how to be a good Muslim pharmacist. So you can get points in the Deen and the Dunya. So are you ready to find out how to ace your pre-registration year? Sign up now for free, and inshallah we'll see you on Sunday the 12th of July at 2 p.m.